So if you love to take your fur babies off with you, but you do not like the hair that they leave behind, then definitely listen up to this review today. So the company sent over this backseat protector, and I've got to show it to you guys. All right, so if you've got a dog that sheds like it's their full-time job, you need to see this. Our truck, it was basically turning into a fur-covered disaster zone. So we finally got smart and we decided that we needed a backseat protector. We realized that we had to get something and protect the backseat of our new truck. And I will tell you that this thing is a game changer. First off, installation is so easy. It comes in a zipped up bag, which is great if you need to take it from car to car, but we literally got it out, unfolded it, strapped it to the headrest, and boom, instant dog bed in the back seat. And also, it's got a hard bottom that can hold up to 420 pounds. So whether you've got a big dog, multiple dogs, or even like a small horse, it's sturdy enough to handle it. Now, if your dog is anything like ours, they bring half the backyard with them, right? So mud, fur, who knows what else our dog will drag into our truck. But this thing is waterproof, scratch proof, and super easy to wipe clean. So no more scrubbing the truck for an hour after just one trip to the park. No more dragging out the vacuum just after one trip with the dog in the back. Another great thing is that if you want to fold it up to let people sit in the back seat, you don't have to take the thing completely out. You simply just unhook it from the front to back seat rest and you fold it up against the seat, and kids can sit right in the back and lean up against the back clean part of the seat protector. So no more taking it out, putting it back in, and then when it's time for the dogs again, pull it back down, hook it back to the seats, and it's ready to go. A bonus feature is that it has this little mesh window, which means they can actually see us while we're driving, so no more sad puppy eyes wondering where we went. Now they can stare at us the whole ride, and it still keeps them in the back seat. And so just like that, we've got a happy dog, a fur-free truck. It's worth every penny. If you love your dog but hate the mess that they can drag into your car, trust me, this thing is the best thing you will ever have, and we cannot recommend it enough.